going to be a safety week stupa. And we're going to have all the safety items on all the corners. And a little prayer flag to promote peace. And hopefully everyone's safe for not only the week, but all winter.